Come, Josie, come.
Alright people, so we're there at Riverside Dock in Black River people, and guess what? Yeah man, we have the Black River Safari here, and guess what, people go and take a tour on the Black River Safari. So guys, stick and still, let me show you guys what's going on.
It's a Jamaican thing, baby. So come on and join me. We're there on an exploration across the island. Don't miss this, that is free. It's a Jamaican thing, baby. So come on and join me. We're there on an exploration across the island. Don't miss this, that is free. So come on and check out this channel. Dual is YouTube channel, where it's all about showcasing Jamaica exotic places, people and things. Don't forget though to like, subscribe, comment and share. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah man, so we enter the docks people. Oh, it's a nice ambience, nice atmosphere. You have a bar and restaurant and lounge over here. There are people, so tag along. Alright people, so we have some nice gift sets here. They call them figurine. Now you can use the carry back with you. Alright people, so there, so now that is the area where you go and make your booking. Already did my booking people, so this is the restaurant area. Alright people, so the tour is about to start, so we're gonna check it out. Alright people, so we're just in time to see one of the crooks on the dock here. So people will show you what going, what time it is.
Watch your foot.
Alright people, so we're going, what time it is. Alright people, so we're gonna catch the boat right now. Walking this side. Alright, so the boat on that side people, so let's go. People, stick and stay. Show you what time it is.
Today I'll be your captain, your tour guide, your lifeguard, a friend of yours, and also your crocodile dandy. Yeah man? Good. So currently we're here on the Black River today. The Black River starts outside in the cockpit mountain of Trelawney. Ends out into the Caribbean Sea down here under the bridge. The Black River is Jamaica's longest navigable river, 44 miles long. So today we're hoping to show you birds, wetland vegetation, if you're finding offensive, friendly crocodile, alright?
Alright guys, so the tour is just begin. Now we do the Black River Safari tour.
Guys, so these birds are looking at over here, nesting, they are the egrets, commonly known as garline here in Jamaica. Here we have two types of egret, only two nesting. The two we have nesting is the cattle egret with the yellow beak, yellow feet. The snow egret, black beak, black feet, yellow slipper. These birds, they have great smelling. Whenever time the farmers plowing land miles ahead, they smell the worm, go get it, come and feed your babies. sometimes crocodile normally hang out over here. Baby bird fell in, they can have to eat. Like Kentucky Fried Chicken. Oh, here's a crocodile right here. See him? Right there. Come. Okay, so Black River Town was the first town to get electricity, telephone, motor car, racers, even before New York. And that place is Walter Lucas' house out in the town. Well guys, the color of this river is normally a black river, but because it rains in the hills, you get this color. So when you go upstream, you'll get to see the real color of what the Black River looks like. And the depth of the river here that we're traveling on now is 18 to 20 feet in depth here at some point. When you go upstream, you can find it up to 40 feet in depth. Now the flow otherwise known as water lilies. Now the reason why they're floating downstream, the government hire men to cut them every 2 months from upstream, send them down to the Caribbean Sea in the salt water, where they wither and die. They only survive in fresh water.
Upstream now. Check out that one, the part of safari, see if we can find some crocodiles.
We have two types of mangrove. Now the red mangrove have the aerial roots hanging from the branches down into the water. What those aerial roots do, they suck the water up to feed the branches. They're like giant straw. They also give the river oxygen. So you'll find a lot of fish and crabs at the root at times. And it's also a good nesting area for baby fish to go and hide from the bigger predators. So here they don't damage the mangrove, they protect them. White mangrove is all the way up the front, smaller in leaf, paler in color, no aerial root hanging into the water. Back in the days, these two trees have their purpose. They used to strip the stalk of the red mangrove, use it to dye the wooden floor. White mangrove, they normally use it to dye leather, like crocodile skin. So back in the days, they used to hunt the crocodile, use the skin to make bags, belt, and shoes. Now they cannot do it anymore. It's now protected by a system the government have here in NEPA. They're responsible for all the animals and wetlands. So this is the red mangrove here, with the aerial root, darker green leaf, paler green leaf, no aerial root hanging, that's the white mangrove. Come. So we slick behind the eyes, that's the ears, the nose, on top of the spout. Those teeth are canine. And this crocodile here, 15 years old. Crocodile can live up to 100 years, 20 feet in length. Go. And they are also nocturnal feeders. They hunt at night. 90% of their diet is made up of fish and crab. The other 10%, whatever or whoever it can find. They are also territorial creatures. You'll find them in their own turf. Now that's Crocodile Dave, and that's his turf over there. Now there's another one there. And when it's mating season, you'll see two crocodiles together. So now, the reason why they're not fighting is mating season, so they probably were mating. Come, 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 come. Come, 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 come. Come, come. It's a cat. Now guys, a few of the famous ones get names by the things they do. Now Cathy was in a person's backyard in a pan over in Party. They found her in the pan. The lady missing all her cats. So she had to get her. Come, come. Come, 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 come. Come, come, come.
No, son,
Come.
see a cat.
Come.
Meow.
Come. Now he's just relaxing. Now guys, they normally come out in the day, sit up on the log, open their mouths, take the sun to digest whatever they eat. That's how they digest. They use the sun of the tongue. They chop and swallow. And they do provide tears. You ever hear they talk about crocodile tears? They do provide tears. These crocodiles are not as harmful as the one in South Africa or North America. They're shy, inoffensive. You leave them, they leave you alone. The only time these crocodiles get aggressive is if you're nesting, mating, or you're bothering them, or you smell blood. Quick temper. Their mate go down to the sea, dig the sand, lay their eggs, or over into the grass where they could have a hole. September, they'll come back with the baby in their mouth. Let them off into the branches where they'll hide from the bird, which is the baby egret, or the fish. Here in this river we have blue crab, soldier crab, straight fish, shrimp, black African perch, tarpon, snook, mullet, barracuda, snapper, earthfish, carp. And here we have fish up to 120 pounds inside this river, like the tarpon. Back in the days, they used to do a lot of transportation on this river. One of the biggest transportation was the logwood, from the log days. They also used to transportate molasses, rum, sugar, coffee, pimento, banana, plantain. Probably one or a few marijuana, you never know. Underneath there, you'll see him on the log right there. Come, 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 come. Come, 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 come. So what he's doing now, he's taking the sun to digest whatever he eats. Come, 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 come. Come, come.
Alright people, so that's little
You
child.
guys see him? Come, 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 come. Come, come, come! Come, 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 come! Now he's in that mood, he's sleeping. They normally digest. When they're digesting, eyes closed, mouth open, and the throat is locked. They'll stay there all day taking the sun to digest whatever they eat. That's how they digest. Now you can sit on the back when he's in that mood, he don't know you're there. See, I'm calling, he's not coming. Now once you see the eye close, you can watch that crocodile till the eyes is closed. As long as he closes the eyes for more than 5 minutes when you see the crocodile, you can sit on the back. have just completed 1 mile or 44 miles of Black River. The other 43 miles continues to your left. To the right, that's a tributary stream on the Black River, which is a salt spring. That's where we're going. You get to see more birds and crocodile on that side and go up. Now the mountain around to your left, that's a cockpit mountain up to long. The mountain in the middle down there, that's the Nassau Mountain. And in the footage of the Nassau Mountain, you'll find White Small. Right in the back, you'll find Upton State. Over there to your right, that's the Santa Cruz Mountain, named by the Spaniard, Santa Cruz. Now if you look carefully up on the hill, you see some wind turbines. That is in Monroe, St. Elizabeth. Down to the end of that mountain, you can find Lover's Leap, where they said the two lovers jump over back in the slavery days. Use them for craft items like hats, mats, and such. Now these wide leaf vegetation over here floating, they are pancake lilies, otherwise known as lily pads. We normally have some white flower that comes up open, take the sun, at night they close and suckling. We normally have a little bird that walks on top of it to eat the small frogs, Jacana, aka Jesus bird, because he walks on top of the water. There's a bird straight ahead of us into the fern. The vegetation that he's in, that's the fern. That's the greater egret right there. And that's the one that eats the baby crocodile. If the crocodile eat the baby bird, they eat the baby crocodile. Yeah. So they are commonly known as garline here in Jamaica. Now guys, when we come this side, you'll get to see the watercolor change into the Black River. Now the reason why the river is black, it has a dark, greasy soil to the bottom, peat soil. From the peat soil, it also gives a gas out, methane. The methane gas caused from the vegetation that go down on the dark, greasy soil will come back up in gas. You'll see the water bubbling up, and the gas is coming up from the peat soil. When we drive past, it will float over into the grass, stays on the grass. When the tide get low, the sun gets hot on the grass, it ignites, you get fire. They call it spontaneous combustion. Happen here from time to time. No one has to put that fire out. It's all surrounded by wetland and water. Now, here we have over 80,000 acres of wetland. The widest wetland area here in Jamaica. Guys, a crocodile can lay up to 50 to 60 eggs, the older ones. The younger ones, 14 or 20. Counting here with crocodile the last month we count for the open season, we have over 800 crocodile on the stream. And we don't count what is in the wetland area, just what we can see, sometimes daily going up on the stream. You might see some plastic bottles floating in the water. They are not grounded, they are markers to capture. Fishermen normally use them to mark when they need their capture. There's one right here, to the left. Look carefully at the bottles, you'll see the rope hanging on it.
There's a crab trap.
Look at it, you see them moving soon. See that? Right in. Out here it's 30 feet in depth. You can find the same 30 feet underneath, straight through. All that is floating. A mat with the peat soil. Now that peat soil is like a sponge. Whenever time we have heavy rain, it sucks the water in. Whenever time we have low tide, it takes time and let the water out. So we don't have flood in this area. Sometimes the mat do move. Now you can see the watercolor changing, getting darker. As darker this river gets, the deeper it is. As dark as it looks, this water is crystal clear. It only takes a reflection of the deep soil that is underneath. To the left over here, they are the fern. In Jamaica, we have over 550 species of fern. This is the largest one, the giant fern, only grow here in the brackish water. Here we have a brackish water, guys. Mixture of salt and fresh. Salt to the bottom, fresh to the top. The Caribbean Sea mixed with this. Now, the rest of fern, you can find them in a place in Ojereas, Fern Gully. Named after the fern, they're smaller. Come! Now there's a crocodile over here by the name of Tom. Two of them here, Tom and Jerry. Named them Tom and Jerry because they're always chasing after each other, fighting. The others would fight till death, they fight and play. Come! Okay guys, it's mating season, probably out looking for his girlfriend. Come! So you see, I don't have to see them, I know where they are. They are territorial. So you'll find them in their own turf. These crocodiles, typical Jamaicans, they're friendly. Now when he get closer, you can look at the water and see that it's crystal clear. Only takes the reflection of the peat soil that is underneath. Come, Tom. Come. Come. Jumping on front, left. Keep the start of the black river. Around here is where we used to have one of the biggest crocodiles in that church. He died, Big George. Big George died at the age of 8 years old. 18 feet left. No baby. Very friendly crocodile. You can lift the head up, kill the feet, whatever. Won't bite them. see how clear the water is, guys? No, that's Jerry. So Tom around there and this is Jerry heading around. They probably go fighting now. They do that every day. Every day.
So you know them different, eh? So you know them different? Well, you know that immigration.
Yeah, so you know he wasn't there and I called it, I know he's there. Smell that odor? That's the main thing you have to smell it coming from the pizza. So guys, you know have divers that dive up here do spearfishing. That's snorkeling with the crocodile. Only mosquitoes. So if you're out here in the night, you'll all be covered by mosquitoes. Over here to your right, this is where all the swimming used to take place. If you look up in the tree there, you see the rope hanging with the board on it. They call that crazy swim. So they used to climb up, swing out, and jump in. I used to do it too. I have to save someone. So it must be a reason why I go in this way. Down by the dock where you see all the boat parked. Every morning I used to come, jump off, go and swim to the other side where the bird are and touch a leaf and come back across. Don't do that anymore. Now there's way more too much crocodile. Not all of them friendly. So over here to your left, this is the oldest mangrove tree we have. Visitors call it Rasta Mangrove. They said it looks like the turtle. Come, Josie. Come. Okay, guys, time to play. Come. Come, Josie. Don't do that. Come on. So you're just coming up, right? Come. Good boy. Come. Come, Josie. Come. Come, Josie. Come, boy. Come, Josie. Come. Come, Josie. Come.
Massive man.
Come.
Josie ain't on a plane today.
Yeah, he's not in the mood, guys. I was touching him earlier on. I didn't know he's not in the mood. Looking for chicken. Come. Come, come, come. Come, 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 come. Come, 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 come. Come, come. Come, come, come. Come, 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 come. Come, Josie. Come, Josie. Sing, guys, you can alone. No, that's a baby one to the biggest one here. The biggest one is 80 years old. Terrorists. Don't see him from last mating season. You normally come up down by the dock. But when we're coming back, you'll be in a different view. Constant high, red eyes. So that bird is looking for you to take his pictures. He's very friendly. If you're not here, I call, they come. If you look overboard, you can see the bottom of the river here, so you see that this water, you see that this bird is not shy. Come! She's probably looking for a crocodile. Come! Come on, Josie. Come on, boy. Come on, let's play. Come on. Come. Yeah, come. Every time they're like that, just leave them alone. Alright, Jones.
so this is where the tour has ended. That was an awesome tour, people. Awesome tour. So you guys can definitely come and check it out. Black River Safari Tour. Now we're going to take another shot at Crocodile and Dock. Alright people, so tour end. Now we're head out box. Grab some food on the way.